Ever feel like your business banking is stuck in the Stone Age? Like you're juggling a million things, and your bank account is just another headache to manage? Pause for a beat. Yeah, me too. Or at least, that was me. For years, I wrestled with clunky interfaces, hidden fees that seemed to multiply in the dark, and customer service that felt, well, let's just say I spent more time on hold than actually running my business. Then I stumbled upon Relay. And honestly, it felt like a breath of fresh air. Like someone finally understood the unique needs of a modern business owner. Now, you might be thinking, another online bank? What's so special about this one? And that's a fair question. The digital landscape is crowded with options. But trust me, Relay isn't just another face in the crowd. It's a game changer. Over the past, mention a reasonable time frame, e.g., year, few months, I've had the chance to really dive deep and experience what Relay has to offer. And today, I want to share the top benefits that have genuinely transformed the way I manage my business finances. So, buckle up, because we're about to unpack why banking with Relay might just be the smartest move you make for your business. Transition to the first key benefit. Alright, let's kick things off with something that immediately caught my eye, the sheer number of accounts you can open. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why would I need multiple bank accounts? Well, if you're running a business, especially one with different revenue streams, departments, or even just wanting to keep your taxes separate, having dedicated accounts is a lifesaver. Think about it. You could have one account specifically for sales revenue, another for marketing expenses, a third for payroll, and yet another just for setting aside those dreaded quarterly tax payments. With traditional banks, opening and managing multiple accounts can be a bureaucratic nightmare, often involving extra fees and complicated paperwork. Relay, on the other hand, makes it incredibly easy. You can open up to 20 individual checking and savings accounts, all within minutes, directly from their intuitive online platform. This level of organization has been a game changer for me. I can instantly see exactly where my money is going, track the performance of different parts of my business, and avoid the headache of commingling funds. It simplifies bookkeeping, makes tax preparation a breeze, and ultimately gives me a much clearer picture of my financial health. Transition to the second key benefit. Speaking of financial health, let's talk about something that hits every business owner right in the wallet, fees. Or rather, the lack thereof with Relay. Seriously, one of the most frustrating aspects of traditional banking is the constant barrage of fees. Monthly maintenance fees, transaction fees, overdraft fees, wire transfer fees, it feels like you're being nickel and dimed at every turn. Relay takes a completely different approach. They are incredibly transparent about their pricing, and the best part? They don't charge many of the common fees that traditional banks do. We're talking no monthly account fees, no minimum balance requirements, and even free ACH transfers. Think about how much that can add up over the course of a year, especially if you're making frequent transactions. For small businesses and startups, every dollar counts. The money you save on banking fees with Relay can be reinvested back into your business, helping you grow faster and more sustainably. It's like getting a little extra breathing room in your budget, simply by choosing a smarter banking solution. Transition to the third key benefit. Now, let's move on to something that's absolutely crucial in today's fast-paced business environment, seamless integrations with the tools you already use. Let's be honest, no business operates in a vacuum. We rely on a whole ecosystem of software and services to manage everything from accounting and payroll to e-commerce and payment processing. Relay understands this, and they've built their platform to integrate seamlessly with popular business tools like QuickBooks Online and Xero. This means your financial data can flow effortlessly between your bank account and your accounting software, eliminating the need for manual data entry and reducing the risk of errors. Imagine the time you'll save by not having to constantly download statements and manually reconcile transactions. This integration not only streamlines your bookkeeping but also gives you a real-time view of your financial position within your accounting software. It's all about efficiency and having the right information at your fingertips when you need it. Transition to the fourth key benefit. Building on that theme of efficiency, let's talk about the power of virtual cards. If you're not already using virtual cards for your business, you're missing out on a significant level of control and security. Relay allows you to create unlimited virtual cards, each linked to a specific purpose or vendor. Think about it. You can generate a virtual card specifically for your online advertising expenses, another for software subscriptions, and yet another for a specific project. This gives you incredible visibility into where your money is being spent and makes it much easier to track expenses. But the benefits don't stop there. Virtual cards also enhance security. If a vendor's website gets compromised, the virtual card associated with them can be easily frozen or closed without affecting your main bank account. It's an extra layer of protection against fraud and unauthorized charges. Plus, you can set spending limits on each virtual card, ensuring that you stay within budget for different categories of expenses. It's a smart and simple way to manage spending and keep your finances organized. Transition to the fifth key benefit. Okay, so we've talked about accounts, fees, integrations, and virtual cards. Now let's zoom out a bit and consider the overall user experience and platform design. Let's face it, some online banking platforms can feel clunky, outdated, and just plain difficult to navigate. Relay, on the other hand, boasts a clean, modern, and incredibly intuitive interface. Everything is laid out logically, making it easy to find what you need, whether you're opening a new account, transferring funds, or managing your virtual cards. The platform is also incredibly responsive and works seamlessly across different devices, whether you're on your desktop, laptop, or mobile phone. This focus on user experience might seem like a small thing, but it can make a huge difference in your day-to-day operations. Instead of dreading logging into your bank account, you'll find it's a straightforward and even pleasant experience. And when you're a busy business owner, every little bit of saved time and reduced frustration counts. Transition to the sixth key benefit. Now, let's address a crucial aspect of any financial service: customer support. We all know the feeling of being stuck with a banking issue and struggling to get in touch with someone who can actually help. Long wait times, unhelpful representatives, it's a common pain point. While I haven't had many issues with Relay's platform, which speaks volumes in itself, the times I have needed support, their team has been responsive, knowledgeable, and genuinely helpful. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.